Good morning, students. Today I will go to teach you about State Women Policy 2014. This is of semester 4 under Gender, School and Society. Portion of semester 4 Gender, School and Society. What is State Women Policy? It is a government initiative against the injustice happening against women since time immemorial. It is celebrated as Women's Rights Day on 15th October every year by our state. It aims to strengthen the state by empowering women. In every religion, women are worshipped in one way or other. But in real life, women are always being harassed everywhere in day-to-day life. Keeping view of this policy has been given power to state government to improve the status of women at home or at workplace. State government has reserved almost 50% post for home guard, 33% for constable. Even free education is provided in medical, engineering and higher technical institution. In our country, only 70% in our country only 7% employment exists. Central government constitute 10% employment for women. This power achieved by this policy will give ample opportunity for women in every walk of life to progress. Women will get reservation in Panchayat, Jila Parishad, Rajya Sabha, Vidhan Sabha for welfare of women, which was being neglected since independence. Special care have been taken for girl student in school at village level. Enrollment drive in school, bicycle, midday meal, school dress, study materials being provided to them. State has taken drive to open schools at grassroots level to reach every family in village. Where there is no school for girls or Balika Vidyalaya or girls Pathshala. For this purpose, Anganwadi Sevika or Sahiya are operating. This is all state government organization, especially for women education and health. Anganwadi Sevikaएं are functioning as very instrumental and effective tools for women development and awareness in society. Jaccha Bachcha Care, Health Hazard, Basic Education, implementation of state policy instruction for removing gender differences as discrimination for sex, even sex abuse, etc. Awareness for the same is being taken care by Anganwadi Sevikaएं. Sex ratio is very important for future development of India. Increasing literacy ratio. Women are getting due employment in policy, military, employment in police, military, air force, engineering, and even most hazardous activities. Science and technology. Teacher is in school and colleges have been given good representation along with research field. For development, IT section are largely being represented by them. Even sports, other intellectuals field, women are being encouraged by state government, such as state government has fixed quotas for employment. In Vidhan Sabha, Parliament and other field, state government has fixed quota for women representation in those areas. State women policy has been updated even in 2016. स्टेट वुमेन पॉलिसी के हिसाब से प्रत्येक वर्ष 15 अक्टूबर को अपने राज्य झारखंड में अवकाश रहता है तथा इसका सेलिब्रेट भी होता है एज वुमेन राइट डे, महिला अधिकार दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं. The main aim is to achieve equality in society, empowerment to fair sex. 3. State has been empowered to adopt such measure of positive action for favor of women. Ministry of Women and Child Development is also working and helping to achieve this goal. Policy of 2014 has been improved by State Women Policy 2016. This also take care by mental health policy of state government. Thank you.